guys liked the video. I gotta go out and work on my car. I got this cool inverter I want to put in the car. I don't know how well it's gonna come out, but and just like that, we now have an inverter right there. He's also designing me something to replace that. 13 hours and 42 minutes just to go ahead and make that. And then there's the other section. Follow him on Facebook, Instagram, and go ahead and follow me. All my links are in the description. Alright, in order to put this in, I'm gonna have to take that off. That way I can go ahead and fit this in there. We went ahead and tried the other night off camera. It was dark out. We tried putting it in there, but there's a little bit of stuff in the way. So he's gonna downsize the next print and check it in his neons, because the neons and the SRT4s are all the same Cubby ordeal. Obviously I have mine modified up here. I don't have HVAC. You guys know I have a wire tuck. And I have nothing right here. I don't rock a radio like I've always been saying to you guys. But we're gonna go ahead and take that off and see what's up. So that's the plate right there. We're gonna have to modify. That way it slides in. You guys can see my wire tuck board back there. Pretty cool. Zoom in. Pretty cool. Now that I've been messing with this, I realized since there was so much wiring going on, he ended up putting a male and female connector right there. That way I can just disconnect everything. The only thing that's hooked up is the two black wires. That is going to my horn. But I realized like I could just flip it and move it over there. Now I have all this room. This is the 3D print that Josh made. You can see he forgot to put the little cutouts right here. If you look in the back, that is where the back plate is gonna slide into. I can always trim this if I want to, but I can always just see if I can finagle it. But this print is a little too big, so I'm gonna have to cut that out. I've already cut up this dashboard. Plenty of places already here, underneath. Back here I can get to my inverter now, which I'll show you guys soon in another video. If you're not subscribed, stay tuned, notified, all that good stuff. I'm just gonna cut this back here, and I might be cutting this piece out, the top and the bottom. That way I have a little bit more room. This Cubby is going to be a great addition. That way I can just store my phone in there, and if I really want, I can get a radio in the future and maybe even put it behind the dash, or I don't know. I have options, you guys. Like I said, I don't listen to the radio. So yeah, I'm just going to go ahead and cut that up, and I'll get back into you guys. Quickly show you. So I cut those side walls right there. See if I can get my phone to stay. So I took that off. So that's pretty much what I cut right there. I left that supporter right there. That way I don't have a vibrating dashboard. But I haven't even tried fitting that in there yet. So let me do that real quick. Oh, it fits in there, you guys. Woo! I might have to go ahead and just send it. Now it's all about the lines and the holes for the screws. We got 2 screws right here. And I know he already drilled out the holes a little bit. So that lines up. I'm gonna have to get a screwdriver and see if they actually screw in. This is gonna be awesome, you guys. Grab a screwdriver. This one right here. hope it does. That way I don't have to do more cutting shit up to make something fit. That's why I cut the bottom section out, because it really wasn't a support structure inside the dash. I'm gonna see if this fits. Put this up there. Hey guys, I don't know if it's gonna 100%, but we pray, we hope. Oh, look how good that looks. Look how good that looks. Whoa. Josh, what did I tell you, bro? Keep creating. Keep creating. Yo, that looks so dope. I gotta figure out how to put the back on. But dude, that's awesome. Yo, you guys definitely gotta go check out JoshTosh Creations. Instagram link is in the description on the bottom of the screen. Oh my god. Now I just gotta go ahead and make some drill holes for these wires that go to the inverter. Look at that. Does not look dope or what? Well, there it is, you guys. All installed. Even the back plate, I had to cut off a little bit of the top of the plate. That way it could slide in and be flush to the top of the 3D print itself. And I just took a little bit of heat and melted a corner. That way it doesn't pop up during like a bump or something. But pretty much that's it, you guys. You know, you can put your cell phone in there. You know, sorry for the bad lighting, but it is getting dark. But I still needed to show you guys this. It looks super dope, and it looks like it has like a, I don't know, like a black metal gloss, like granite finish. It's just super dope. On the side, has these little cutouts on each side, so you know you smoothly go in there instead of having like a square box.
Cut out as a square here, this square, but then I cut this.
But goes in there pretty deep, you know. I could put this Type S jump starter. Now I'm just gonna go ahead and open and show you guys. This is basically what I want to do as my 4K giveaway. Now all you guys gotta do to get into this is, and it's, you know, decent size. So that's a cool addition, yo. Thank you, JoshTosh Creations, for coming up with this design with me and making me your first prototype piece. And I hope you make some good sales with this guy, because this is definitely awesome for someone that deletes their radio and wants to listen to their engine and car while driving. Super dope.